We all have things that make us unique. Our favorite colors, our passions, our sense of humor. These little details come together to form the essence of who we are. Part of what makes us special is who we are attracted to. This attraction is a significant part of our identity. This is called sexual orientation. It's a fundamental aspect of who we are. It's about the people we have romantic feelings for. These feelings can be deep and meaningful. Just like some people love chocolate and others prefer vanilla, our preferences in love are varied and unique. We all have different preferences when it comes to love. These preferences are a natural part of who we are. Some people find themselves attracted to the opposite gender. This is known as being heterosexual. Others might be attracted to the same gender. This is known as being homosexual or gay. And some people are attracted to both. This is known as being bisexual. And you know what? That's completely okay. There's no right or wrong answer when it comes to who you are attracted to. We are all human, and our feelings are valid. We all deserve to love and be loved for who we are. Embracing our true selves is what makes us genuinely unique and special. There are many different types of sexual orientations. You might have heard of some of them: heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual. These words describe the different ways people experience attraction. Heterosexual means being attracted to someone of the opposite gender. Homosexual means being attracted to someone of the same gender. And bisexual means being attracted to both men and women. It's important to remember that these are just labels. They can be helpful for understanding ourselves and others, but they don't define who we are as people. Now, let's talk about gender identity. It's a deeply personal and unique aspect of who we are. This is about how we see ourselves and how we express our gender to the world. It's the way we choose to present ourselves through our clothing, behavior, and overall appearance. It's about the way we feel inside, our internal sense of self, which might not always match societal expectations. Some people identify as cisgender, meaning their gender identity aligns with the sex they were assigned at birth. They feel a sense of harmony between their inner self and their physical body. Others might identify as transgender, meaning their gender identity is different from the sex they were assigned at birth. They may undergo a transition to align their physical appearance with their true self. And then there are people who identify as non-binary, meaning they don't strictly identify as male or female. They might use different pronouns and have a fluid sense of gender. They might feel like they are both neither, or somewhere in between. Their gender expression can be a beautiful blend of masculine and feminine traits. Section 4. Finding your truth. A journey of self-discovery. Figuring out your sexual orientation and gender identity can be a journey, one that is deeply personal and unique to each individual. It's a process of self-discovery that takes time, patience, and a lot of self-reflection. You might not have all the answers right away, and that's okay. It's perfectly normal to feel uncertain or confused at times. Think of it like putting together a puzzle, where each piece represents a part of who you are. It takes time to find all the pieces and fit them together, and sometimes you might need to try different pieces before finding the right fit. Some people might know their sexual orientation and gender identity from a young age, feeling a strong sense of certainty early on. Others might take longer to figure it out, exploring different aspects of themselves over time. The most important thing is to be true to yourself, embracing your authentic self without fear or hesitation. Listen to your heart, and don't be afraid to explore who you are, even if it means stepping out of your comfort zone. There's no rush, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Take your time and remember that your journey is your own. Section 5. Celebrating our differences together. We live in a world that's full of diversity. We come from different backgrounds, we have different beliefs, and we experience the world in different ways. And that's a beautiful thing. Our differences make us stronger, more interesting, and more compassionate. When we embrace diversity, we create a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. Imagine a world where everyone felt safe and accepted for who they are. It would be a world filled with love, kindness, and understanding. Let's work together to create that world. Section 6. Embrace your true colors. So, to everyone out there who's trying to figure things out, just remember, You are loved, you are worthy, and you are not alone. Never be afraid to be your true self. Embrace your individuality and let your light shine bright. The world needs your unique voice, your perspective, and your story. Remember, you are perfect just the way you are. And when you embrace your true self, you inspire others to do the same. Be proud, be brave, and be you.